We
who have access
to education.
This is not about us.
We
who have access
to healthcare.
This is not about us.
We
who are citizens.
This is not about us.
We
Who belong to a country.
This is not about us either.
This.
This
is about the children.
The children
that don't.
If the measure of love
is to love without measure.
So let's be a generation of love.
Let's love
without measure.
Maybe
We can take away the pain.
let's give back
To the children.
You've been given the gift of love, not much to give. Someone else, give back, and make your life worth living. Just when a child finds self-esteem, you know how much you need. Love can be something so save them from a wretched life, yeah. So take a hand, say how it feels, but you better hold on tight. I'm breaking off these chains, freedom. You've been given the gift of love's not much to